Hello, my bro. Now testing the size is the paperback width is 160, and the gasket size is 60, and the finished back size is 345. The size on your list. Unwinding part and the perforation forming part. And now speed is around 100 meters per minute, and back speed is 280. The cutting length is 350. 帮我量一下呗。The finished back size is 345. Paper back width is 160. Gasket size. Gasket size is 60. Also, this one is automatic hunting. You can set in how many bags per bag. Now we turn to the maximum speed. 120 meters per minute.